Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. I'm back with the new video. Actually this video was requested by my one of friend and subscriber from YouTube. So he informed me that he has received a transmitter, Flysky transmitter as well as receiver, and he was facing an issue of failsafe. So he told me that he was facing issue regarding when as soon as the receiver or transmitter gets out of control or just we switch off the transmitter, the receiver behaves like means the last signal which was sent by the transmitter to the receiver follows that signal. And if this is my car, for example, if transmitter sends the signal of high value and receiver gets out of control with the transmitter, the receiver continuously follows the last signal sent by the transmitter. Means this motor, means these wheels will be continuously spinning and our vehicle will be damaged. So in this video I am going to represent, or I am going to tell you that how the receiver will get into failsafe mode as soon as our transmitter gets out of control of the receiver. So let's get started. So friends, as you can see, I have connected this RC card. So actually I have a receiver, another receiver which came with this Flysky transmitter. This is the fsi6x receiver. So actually I am not using it. So this is the modern receiver which came with fsi6x. So I have connected the throttle, means channel number 3, the ESC of this motor to channel number 3. So as you can see, the lead is connected to channel number 3, and I have my ESC 20 amp brushless ESC over here. This sends signal to the motor for forward or backward direction. So I'm going to show how to failsafe this. So first of all, I'm going to connect this 2S battery. So the system powers up and receiver is also blinking. So as soon as we turn on our transmitter, this LED will be solid. So here it is solid. So I will demonstrate how this system works. Here is backward, this is forward. So we give the signal to the receiver that this is the position of the throttle. So as soon as we turn off our transmitter, the motor should stop, but here you can see the motor is not stopping. It follows the signal which was sent by the transmitter. So let's turn on transmitter. So here it gets. So to enable the failsafe, we need to do some simple settings into our transmitter. There is no need to set anything over receiver. So let's shut this off and keep this aside. So here is our transmitter. So first of all, we need to go to system, then here RX setup, then RX standard, then battery, then failsafe. So we have connected our motor to channel number 3, means throttle channel. So scroll down to channel number 3. So press OK. There you can see failsafe. It is off. To turn on failsafe, press up button. So here you can see it is failsafe is turned on. So this is means this represent the position which we want the receiver to go after the disconnection of transmitter and receiver. So I have my mean position over center. So means you can fix your value where do you want. If you want here, you can set it over here. My place is over center position. So here you can see I have on, and my position is set by the channel, which channel I want to go for failsafe. So press cancel and again press cancel. So here everything is set up. To verify, we need to just see one more time what is happening over there. Then RX setup, failsafe, and so you can see channel number 3 0%. Here it is 0%. So go to main display, and here now we will turn on our receiver. Have some problem over connector. So I have done with the connection, and receiver is properly bound with the transmitter. So the setup works properly, so we need to verify that. So I am sending the signal to the receiver. Here is our main position. After turning off this switch, the receiver should go in failsafe mode and motor should stop. So let's do that. So here it is. So guys, we have set up failsafe mode properly. Do like, subscribe and share video. Thank you. If you have any further queries, you can comment me below in comment section. I will help you definitely, anytime, anywhere. Thank you.